Okay, let's start to learn first the Chinese lesson. Chinese lesson, more and more, I find that to be very nourishing to our spirit. Learn Chinese character and the tones of the Chinese characters' pronunciation, and allow your mind to enter a new world of the 5,000 years of traditional Chinese culture. That is the splendor that prepared as a gift for everyone living on the earth today. That is the mother's milk that prepared by our Creator for the modern people right now who want to shed the old clothes and put on a new clothes to enter the future. So I take teaching Chinese, language and culture to be my number one priority. More and more, I find that this is something that will benefit everybody. So let's learn. This Chinese character is called Si. And Si basically means selfish. Yeah. Selfishness, actually, the word and the sound of it is very close to it. Okay. The root cause of human sufferings, and this is the gravity of humanity that make human being unable to elevate. That is the force that pull people down. Okay. Si, selfishness, selfish. This is Fu. Fu?
Fu.
Fu basically means the belly, stomach. Okay. We all need to eat, right? So, people want to satisfy the belly, the stomach, number one. And so when you are selfish and you want to satisfy your desire, okay, for things that's sinful, okay. Bu. No. No. Zheng. Righteous. No righteousness. This we already learned many times. Okay. Si, Fu, selfishness, to satisfy your own desire, wanting. No righteous heart. That will lead to a person who has no righteous heart. Righteous heart is the most important heart a person should cultivate. But if you cannot let go of your selfish desire, you will not be able to cultivate your righteous heart. Yeah. When a person has no righteous heart, that person certainly will start to go sideways. You have a way that's designed by our Creator for you to walk on the earth and gradually elevate. Human life is for elevation. Human suffering is for paving the way to elevate your spirit. But if you have no righteous heart, you're not going to be able to walk on that path. So you're going to stay behind. Okay, that's why, this is the cause of the ultimate demise. Selfishness is the cause of all human sufferings and ultimately destruction. Why I say I want to tell my beloved fellow scientists to let go of this 师傅. As a scientist, when you are given lots of money by the general public, it's the grant money. Grant money is given to scientists without being supervised. Once the money is received by the scientist can do whatever they want, pretty much. When that occurs, this is truly a trust to see whether that scientist will be able to use the money to really serve the general public's interest. Now, if you do research, you claim you're going to find a cure of cancer, you should wholeheartedly try to find a cure of cancer. Instead of using the money and play games, take a trip to the resort, have some conference and enjoy your life, and have the luxury and the glory and the reputation, but don't every day meditate on truly, am I doing something for the people? Am I going to the laboratory to do something for the people who supported me? Most scientists don't remember that. When I was doing research at Harvard, I noticed that the scientists only pay attention to one thing called publish or perish. Because publish articles in top-notch journals means money, means power, means promotion, means stability of your position. So everybody starts to pay attention to competing with each other for publishing ahead of others. The same subject. Lots and lots of laboratories are repeating the same experimentation. Just want to compete to see who is going to be able to get ahead and publish first. Once one laboratory is published, the rest of the people who already spend a lot of effort to do the research, all those are trashed. No use. Because that is a competition. You lost. He won. He will be the one get the glory of the name and the profit. So the entire science field starting to be corrupt because of this selfish, desire-based research. Research can never go like that. Research is supposed to be working with each other to find a solution for the people who entrust you. A lot of my fellow scientists these days, they are only for the money, for the power. They compete with each other, they build the pharmaceutical companies, and they want to just get ahead and get people use the drugs that they develop. Once the drug is developed, they know it has a lot of side effects. They know it's not a solution, but they want the general public to buy it. That's why the pharmaceutical companies start to also have the downfall. Pharmaceutical companies, if you produce beautiful drug to help people, nothing wrong, great. People will be forever grateful if you are truly doing so. But if your motivation is to make money, 不正心, no righteous heart. And that's why they started to, on the surface, be successful. Pfizer, Merck, beautiful pharmaceutical companies that should do great things for the people. But once this company only thinking about money, I think they're going to be destroyed. And a lot of great scientists, if they are only thinking about how to publish ahead of others, and they even play games on the data, some of them, eventually they also basically due to no righteous heart. Whatever that they bring to themselves is all negative karma. And that's why they're going to face great, great trouble. Okay, so that's the part. Okay, pause.